Hi folks, Doug here, Ellis Car Customs, where the fun never sets. Thanks for coming along for the journey. Thanks for sticking with me if you're new. Thanks for checking me out if you're new. And thanks for sticking with me if you're old. I'll start out, I'm a couple of videos ahead, so this won't go up for a couple of days anyways, but I want to thank my buddy Keith Whitmere. Hope I'm saying your name right, Keith. And he gave me a really generous gift in the Super Thanks. Anytime I receive gifts in the Super Thanks, I'll always call you out, because any gifts in the Super Thanks are very appreciated, and they go a long ways towards buying the little bits and pieces that are slowly making this thing a car. On another note, I figure I'll ask your opinion. I made a video, edited all that stuff, but I did a video of me doing my day job. I'd be wondering if you all would be interested in such a thing, to see what it is that I do when I'm not doing this. But if it's something you guys would want to see, I'll put it up. I'll let y'all vote on it if you want to see it. You won't hurt my feelings if you don't want to see it. It's just you kind of follow me around in the truck, and it's some scenery, and it's some things, you know, showing you the trucks I operate and what I do, and that'll be up to you guys if you want to see it. I'll put it up. So, in the last episode, I started looking at this splash pan and thinking about rescuing it. And what helps me is that I have a 57 Chevy in the other part of the garage that I can go look at to get an idea of the bits that are missing. Like I said in the last video, some of it you can tell what you have to do because it has to line up with these inners and bolt to them. But as far as what goes on out here, I'm not quite sure, but I can look at the 57 in the other garage and see if I can get an idea of how this curved piece, this piece here, joins to that somewhere here, somehow. So I'm going to take a look at that, see how doable that is, and we'll go from there. So thanks for coming, and I hope you stick around. So we're out here in the old garage where the hardtops live, and Nomad. So, like I said with that pan, 95% of what you see on that pan, I got a light here, what you see of that pan is kind of there, but you can see how it bolts to the inner fenders and those plates that I did up, and then goes in under there. So next thing I could do is kind of go up underneath and see what it looks like behind there. So I flew this blue fender up on there temporary. It's not bolted, it's not shimmed or anything. I just got it kind of laid up on there because I figure if I have that there, that'll give me an idea of what I got to do under there, what can be seen, what can't be seen, and then just have to duplicate it on the other side. But I've had people ask where the blower motor goes, or what this is here. That's where the blower is on these things. But yeah, So yeah, it's obviously out to lunch a little bit because there isn't a single bolt or screw or anything in it. It's just laid up there. But it is somewhat gratifying to see it. I mean, you know, to sort of see it looking a little more like a car. But yeah, that should help me figure out what I'm doing here. So I've sort of got this stuffed in there, but that's where those semicircular pieces go. They screw into these holes along with the trim piece that goes on there, goes through and through these, and they screw in here. When you're building your own car, you can make executive decisions, and my executive decision is that since none of this can be seen when it's put together, I'm just going to make this thing come up here to meet that. Just fill in this space, you know, make a lip so it can bolt to this piece, and that'll seal this off, and then we'll make the lip there so it'll bolt to that piece and bolt to the plate there. Do the same thing on both sides. And I don't think, you know, unless I go concours judging or something and somebody gets under there and says, hey, you got the wrong plate under there, I don't think it's going to matter, because we're just trying to keep crap out of there. So if I seal up this opening and just make sure it doesn't protrude beyond here, because that's where the trim piece goes and the grill and all that kind of stuff, so, and the bumper, so you don't want it to interfere with that stuff. But as long as it fills this opening and can bolt to this piece, I don't see a problem. The other thing is there's like stanchions that are supposed to be on either side that bolt to the, like the grill bolts to it, and the parking lights, that kind of stuff. So I'm going to have to find a couple of those. I had one was on there, but it was pretty well rotted off, and I just finished breaking it off. But maybe I can use it as kind of a template to make my own stanchions, because I've never seen them for sale in any of the catalogs. But I think I got a plan. Wish me luck.
Searching for so long to find the words to write this song. How I love everything about you. I can't eat, I can't sleep, I can't breathe when you're not with me. I can't lie, I can't hide from the love that was meant from the start. For your heart, I'll do anything you want me to, because I love everything about you. Believe me, baby, when I say I need your arms around me every day, because I love everything about you. Heart and soul and everything between is what you'll get if you stick with me, 'cause I love everything about you. I can't eat, I can't sleep, I can't breathe when you're not with me. I can't lie, I can't hide from the love that was meant to be.
So in the end, I flew the other fender in and tossed it on, and I figured I'd get the hood bar in there and bolt it to the plate so that I know that this is where it's supposed to be and the bar is where it's supposed to be. And we stuck those scoop pieces in there where they're supposed to be so that you know, everything is rigid, and the pieces I make should line up with what's there. So we mapped out a cardboard template there to fill this side. The other side's pretty much going to be a mirror image of this. And then I mapped it out on the steel, and then just kind of made notes. I don't know, the light's probably glaring on it, but I made notes what parts have to bend up, what parts have to bend down. This part here has to be scooped to match this scooped bit here. So it's got to come kind of scoop and then bend down going up that way. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect once it gets up into here, because it can't be seen, and all I want to do is be able to attach it and fill the holes and make it look like something. So that's the plan, and hopefully it goes well. So that's what I got for you tonight. It might be a slightly shorter episode, I don't know. I got kind of a late start. You can hear the wildlife. You gonna try jumping up there again? It's bolted, you won't fall. Come on. Come on, Nomad. You can do it. Come on. You don't trust me after last episode. Anyway, I did say at some point soon we'd be leaning on a fender. Well, I'm kind of leaning on it. I would say they're not here for good. He's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. There he is. But see, it didn't fall this time. It's bolted down. But yeah, they're probably not on there for good, but I really needed them on there to be able to map this thing out and know that once I did fly them up on there, hey Cookie, and everything was going to fit, because I'd have hated to, you know, build this thing, think it was okay, and then fly the fenders on and find out that the fenders wouldn't fit up to it. So this is just the safest way to do it, I think. So once again, that special super thanks to my buddy Keith Whitmere for the super thanks gift he gave me. I appreciate it. Yes, I see you. And hopefully you all come back and watch me struggle some more. Yes, you like me, don't you? Alright, I'm gonna let you go. Surf the net. Have a good one, everybody. He sure does like that fender.